Wine is more than just a drink. It is a story of nature, science, patience, and craftsmanship. From fresh grapes harvested in vineyards to beautifully bottled wine enjoyed around the world. Today, we take you inside a modern wine factory to discover how wine is made, step by step, from the very beginning to the final glass. Grape arrival. The journey of wine begins with fresh, ripe grapes. These grapes arrive at the factory shortly after harvesting to preserve their natural flavor and quality. Every batch is carefully inspected. Only healthy, high-quality grapes are approved for processing. Timing is critical because freshness at this stage defines the taste of the final wine. Washing process. Before processing, the grapes are thoroughly washed. Advanced washing systems remove dust, leaves, and impurities using clean, controlled water flow. This step ensures hygiene and protects the purity of the wine. Clean grapes mean clean flavor. Crushing and destemming. The washed grapes now move into crushing machines. Here, grapes are gently crushed to release their juice, while the stems are separated to avoid bitterness. The result is a rich mixture of juice, pulp, and skin, the foundation of wine. Fermentation is where science meets magic. The grape juice is transferred into large stainless steel tanks. Natural or selected yeast is added, beginning the transformation of sugar into alcohol. Temperature and timing are carefully controlled. This process can last several days or weeks, shaping the aroma, color, and strength of the wine.
Tapping the barrel allows us to check the fill level. Then we use the wine thief to draw a sample for quality control.
And the aromatics are really starting to show.
It is stored in oak barrels or steel tanks where it matures over months, sometimes years.
The sanitized bottles are rapidly filled and corked with precision before moving to the high-speed labeling station.
Before bottling, the wine is filtered for clarity and stability. Quality control experts test every batch for taste, balance, and safety. Only wine that meets strict standards moves forward to the next stage. Bottling process. The finished wine is now ready for bottling. Automated lines fill each bottle with precision.
The sanitized bottles are rapidly filled and corked with precision before moving to the high-speed labeling station.
Once filled, the bottles move swiftly to the capping station, where a precise spinner closes the cork.
Corks or caps are sealed tightly to protect freshness. Labels are applied, carrying the identity of the brand to the world. Bottles are packed, sealed, and prepared for transport. From warehouses to retail stores, these bottles begin their journey to customers. Every box represents months, sometimes years of careful work. Every bottle carries the journey from vineyard to factory, now ready for enjoyment. Wine brings people together. At dinners, celebrations, and quiet evenings, it becomes part of shared moments. Every sip reflects craftsmanship, patience, and passion. From fresh grapes to a finished glass of wine, this is the journey inside a wine factory. A journey of dedication, precision, and tradition. Thank you for watching.
Cheers! I'm so glad we did this.
Me too, we needed this. Health and happiness, it's so good to see you. Cheers,
The same to you.